We're going to the poo hole. Right now we're walking through all the homeless people garbage. Because the homeless people live underneath this bridge. Hence why there's garbage everywhere. I'm going to wade up to the poo hole. We're hooked up. I don't even know. Is this a carp? I think it's a little carp. Yeah, it's a little carp. On the dock runner, just some pure drag. Some Pescas carpas. I think it's a carp, yeah. We got our Pescas carpas. Did the circle hook hook it where it's supposed to? The drum. Drum, 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 drum. Typical Nebraska. The only thing we're catching for a good old Nebraska catch is a channel cat. I should head in now. Here's what the pool hole looks like at night. This place is good. I would not fish here after dark because there's some sketchy people around here. Anyways, I caught a wiper, a sheep's head, and 2 carp. I did okay. I don't know what the water temp is. I forgot to bring my thermometer to check it. I don't think there's going to be ice in Nebraska for a while. So I think I'm going to be stuck open water fishing. Last week when I went north, the ice was staying on some of the little ponds through the day, but this week it is warming up. And then it's supposed to cool back down this week in the snow. So who knows what's going to happen. I might take my boat out this weekend, but we'll see. That'll be it for this video. Nothing but drag. I'll probably reel in my other rod. This carp actually feels decent. Whatever, yeah, this fish is decent. We should reel in the other line. The dock runner, they must not want it moving today. This carp's a little bigger. Not much. Pescas carpas. There's a comment. Here's Pescas carpas. We'll let you go. Fuck. You have my hook in your mouth. Paiscus carpus.